Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
Let me introduce our team. My name is Nadia Alaya and my partner
Aisyah Maulinda Putri Hairunisa.
We are students at State Islamic Center High School 1 Kudus.
In this special occasion, we are going to present our research entitled Bu Eko, eco-enzyme produced from snack plant and organic waste combined with molasses from Radang Kudus Sugar Factory as liquid pure detergent. Let's get down to our business.
Indonesia is a country with a high population growth rate. This will have an impact on the emergence of various problems, one of which is the problem of garbage. Indonesia is estimated to produce 64 million tons of fish every year, based on data from the Ministry of Environment and Forestry. The composition of fish is dominated by organic waste. One step to utilize and process organic waste is to convert it into an ecoenzyme. Ecoenzymes are solutions of complex organic substances produced from the fermentation process of organic waste, sugar, and water. Ecoenzyme has benefits as an all-purpose cleaner, but the manufacture of the ecoenzyme has not utilized other plants. Therefore, it is necessary to innovate the manufacture of Bu Eko, ecoenzyme produced from snack plant and organic waste combined with molasses from Radang Kudus Sugar Factory as liquid biodetergent.
The aims of our research are to know the formulation of Bu Eko as an ecoenzyme liquid biodetergent, as well as knowing the characteristic of Bu Eko as an ecoenzyme liquid biodetergent. The benefits of our research are we can utilize organic waste as a multi-purpose waste and utilize waste for the manufacture of ecoenzyme liquid biodetergent. We conducted our research in August to November 2021 at Manduan Kudus Laboratory for sample preparation. Molasses derived from Radang Kudus Sugar Factory, while the sample tests were conducted at Stikes Cendekia Utama Kudus Laboratory. The tools used in this research are fermenters, basins, knife, scales, and stirrer. The material used are organic waste, snack plant, molasses sugar, tapang leaf, perfume, and aqua dish.
The procedures of our research are: first, we cut the organic materials into several pieces. Then, we squeeze the organic materials. After that, we weigh the snack plant using digital scales. And then, we tore the ketapang leaves into small pieces. Next, we put the organic materials, molasses, and water into fermentation container. Then, we kept the mixture in 3 months. In the first week, we controlled and stirred the mixture. After 3 months, we can see the result of fermentation. The next, we removed mama enzyme from the mixture. Then, we filtered the ecoenzyme and tested the density, sedimentation, saponin, and foam stability. After the various tests, we put the label on the bottles. Finally, this is the result of Bu Eko.
The next is result and discussion. The first is density testing. Based on the table, the specific gravity value that falls into the Indonesia National Standard range is sample F2 because it has a value between 1.1 to 1.2 gram per milliliter. Stability and foam height testing. Based on the table, the highest foam stability test is F2 and the lowest is F0. Foam is stable if it has a stability value of about 60% to 70% after 5 minutes of foam is formed. Observation result in almost all statements producing foam at the first minute and at the last minute, which was still high in F2.
The next, sedimentation volume testing. Based on the table, from this result of sedimentation volume testing, with values F less than 1 are found in F1 and F2, which indicate the existence of clear supernatant and there are particles that settle. The last, saponin identification test. Based on the table, sample F0 shows negative result which indicates slightly foamy shape, and within 5 minutes with the addition of 2 normality of chloric acid, then the foam disappeared. This shows that the snake plant extract is negative for saponins. Meanwhile, sample F1, F2, and F3 show a foamy and stable shape within 5 minutes, and then disappear with the addition of 2 normality of chloric acid. The next is conclusion and suggestion. Based on the research that has been done, it can be concluded that the best formula for making ecoenzyme biodetergent from snake plant and organic waste is F2, and its accordance with Indonesia national standard. The density result is 1.1 to 1.2 gram per milliliter. The stability and foam height is 70% and contains positive saponin because of the existence of snake plant.
The suggestion of this research is the need for further research on testing in order to obtain more optimal biodetergent.
That's all our presentation. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.